Hello everyone, it's me, Mopar Matt, back at it again, this time from the recording room. Um, I got a couple of, I did some hunting recently, and quite literally by chance found a nice little honey hole that I intend to go back to. But I also have a few other items that I want to show you, um, including the, um, those two Coca-Cola trucks from the previous video. And I also have a tailwinds that I've had for a while and kept forgetting to show you guys, but I'm going to do it this time. But first, I stopped off somewhere because on the way home from someplace I had to go, I heard a noise in my car. So I pulled into this this shopping center parking lot, and saw a food store and said, "What the hell? I'm sorry. What the heck? While I'm here, let me go into the food store, see what I find." I found a honey hole. I brought home 4 of the TV series Batmobiles, one of which I have cracked open, since I didn't have one already cracked open. But voila! Check that out. The remaining 3. 3 more of them bad boys. Now available up for trade. And I also found 3 more stock car, or should I say stock car, treasure hunts. I have cracked one of them because the card was roached, but I still have these 2. So unless my math is wrong, that gives me 3 stock car treasure hunts that I have up for trade now. I'm going to be doing an updated trade box video in the somewhat near future. Let me go with this Maisto here, this Tailwinds. A while back I told you guys that I had hidden a P38 Lightning Tailwinds. Well, about, I'd say, gosh, I think it's been 2 weeks now. Just about that. About 2 weeks ago, I went and picked it up, and here she is. Voila. Correct anti-glare paint on the sides of the engine pods and the top of the body near the capsule, whatever you call that, I forget the word, to help keep the pilots from getting blinded. All the correct military level insignia. Even got the little symbol on the wing. I mean, this thing's nice. And best of all, propellers spin freely. So yeah, I picked that up. Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta get the other stuff ready. Okay. Now, as with the last video where I showed the updated bedroom display, excuse me. I showed you guys some Coca-Cola trucks that I have had for a very long time. And for some reason it slipped my mind to show them earlier than this, and I am very sorry about that. But first we have, I don't There's no markings on this first one at all, other than a sticker that says "Made in China." Um, and for all I know, this could just be some old toy that had Coca-Cola decals slapped onto it. But I don't care. It's heavy as all heck. It feels like all wrought iron. So here we go. Wow! Look at that bad boy. And definitely not a very good casting job. This has to be, like I said, this feels like it's nothing but solid wrought iron. Or should I say cast wrought iron. And that one screw is the only thing that holds the entire chassis in on this truck. But there you see the upside down Made in China sticker. But I don't care. It said Coca-Cola. I was happy. I don't even remember how much I paid for that thing, to be quite honest. And last but not least, this is another Made in China thing. I forget what year I got this as a Christmas present. It's quite literally been that long. But it's another Made in China toy. Except this one, I'm certain, was meant to be a Coca-Cola toy. Here we go, boys. Big rig coming through. There's a little plastic key underneath because you see that slot at the top of the doors? The trailer is meant to be a bank. And I'll show you in a second here. And I gotta do it. Sorry, PJ. Had to do it. It's a truck. Yeah, unfortunately, it did fall, and I lost it. The mirror went flying on this one side, so I don't know where the other mirror is. But that's why I display this good side on top of my cable box. Um, Let me show you these components up close. It's got real rubber tires, all real rubber, cab and tractor and trailer, real rubber tires. And this thing has to be darn near close to 6 inches in my hand right now. So I don't think this is 1/24th scale. It might be a little bit bigger. And instead of Mach 2 in it, that's the tractor part. And here's a close-up of the trailer with retractable supports. There goes that plastic key, like I told you. See it right there in the middle of the shot. But needless to say, I have not used this as a bank. I'm too much of a Coca-Cola collector to want to use it. So yeah, guys, as you can see, real treaded tires. And since I totally forgot that shot on the bottom of this, at the back of this, see, there you go, Made in China. The only marking on the bottom of this thing. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm already sweating like crazy. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. The only other thing I have to do is inform everyone that I owe boxes to. Thanks to the very long week that I've just had at the one job I still have, either this coming Thursday or Friday, your boxes are going to be shipped out. Depends on when I get my paycheck. But I promise, PJ, Matt Slycord, oh, what the heck, just drew a blank. Vincent's number 3. And unfortunately, I don't want to seem rude, but the 4th person, your name is escaping me right now. Oh wait, that's it. Connor. 4 people. There we go. 4 people, 4 boxes are going to be shipped out. I will get it done. So I look forward to seeing the reaction of you 4 guys when you get your boxes. Especially you, PJ. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.